Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you quick review about one of the loan app called Branch. This is one of the most reputed app I think, and I am going to share a quick review about this Branch app. Okay, yes, I have opened it and see that though it gives small amount, but they are really giving the amount, and I was second time taken this loan from this app. Okay, I click on loans. I got to pay 1030. Okay, this is the amount that I recently taken a loan from this app. Okay, this is outstanding amount for me. Okay, uh, recent activities. See here, I have taken uh, so for the 1000 they have given 906. Okay, so nearly 125 you will lose, and you got to pay this amount. If I click on make repayment, I can do total due or other amount. Okay, partial payment is also available, and due date is June 15. Okay, within June 15 I got to pay amount, and after paying this amount, maybe they will be increasing the limit. Okay, so this branch app is surely really a genuine app. Okay, so it's not a scam. Thanks for watching. Bye.